Welcome fellow explorers to the mind-blending world of quantum physics. Today we are going on a journey that takes us beyond the visible universe and deep into the heart of the quantum realm. Are you ready? So guys, my name is Senmuthu. I started a new playlist on quantum physics and this is the first episode of that playlist. So stay connected with me till the end of this important video to learn more things about the quantum physics. Okay guys, imagine the world. There's a gigantic stage where particles dance to the music of nature. In the world of quantum physics, things get little strange. But don't worry, we are here to make sense of it all. First, let's talk about what quantum physics actually is. At its core, it's the study of the smallest particles and how they interact with each other. Sounds simple, right? But here is where it gets interesting. In the quantum world, particles like electrons can act like both particles and waves. This is called wave-particle duality. Imagine a surfer riding a wave, but also being the wave at the same time. Crazy. Okay, now let's dive into one of the most famous thought experiments in quantum physics. Schrodinger's cat. Picture this. A cat in a box with a vial of poison that breaks if a radioactive atom decays. According to quantum mechanics, until we open the box, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. This illustrates the concept of superposition where particles can exist in multiple states at once until they are observed. That's like having a pizza that's both pepperoni and veggie until you open the box. Next up we have quantum entanglement. Imagine two particles that are so deeply connected that the state of one instantly influences the state of the other. No matter how far apart they are, Einstein called this spooky action at a distance. It's like having a twin who feels a pinch whenever you stub your toes, if even they are on the other side of the world. Quantum physics is not just about the weird phenomena, it's the foundation for many of the technologies we use today, like the transistors of our smartphones and even MRI machines. And it's paving the way for the future of quantum computing, which revolutionizes how we process information. You know guys, quantum computers could solve complex problems in seconds that would take classical computers millions of years. So what does all this mean for us? Quantum physics challenges our understanding of reality and it forces us to rethink how the universe works. It's a field that is still evolving with new discoveries waiting around the corner. As we continue to explore the quantum realm, who knows how incredible advancements we will uncover. The possibilities are truly endless. So guys, this is a simple introduction to quantum physics and this is the first episode of this playlist quantum physics. So I hope to do a lot of videos about quantum entanglement, double-slit experiments on the topic of quantum physics. Guys, thank you for joining me on this incredible video into the world of quantum physics. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our next adventure. Leave a comment below with your questions and what you would like to learn about next. Just then keep exploring the wonders of universe.